In this video, you'll learn about Sponsored Brands, a solution that helps you build your brand on Amazon to better reach shoppers as they consider which products to purchase. We'll explore how Sponsored Brands work and how it can help you meet your campaign objectives by connecting you directly with shoppers looking for products similar to yours. As a note, Sponsored Brands are available for professional sellers or vendors who have enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry. Sponsored Brands ads appear in placements above, alongside, and below shopping results, as well as within product detail pages. Sponsored Brands campaigns are designed to help increase awareness and consideration around your brand, but also to inspire shoppers to visit your page and finally make a purchase. Sponsored Brands ads include your brand's logo and headline alongside a collection of your products. You have control over your ad's messaging and creatives. Similar to sponsored products, Sponsored Brands use a cost-per-click model, meaning you only pay when shoppers click your ads. This lets you choose how much you want to bid per click and control how much you spend on campaigns overall. Now that you know how Sponsored Brands can help you engage shoppers, let's learn how to get started with your first campaign. Number 1, define your campaign goal. It's important to know what business goal you want to accomplish with advertising. Remember, Sponsored Brands campaigns can be great at helping shoppers to discover and consider your brand. You may want to focus on metrics like product detail page views, impressions, or new-to-brand metrics to see if your ads are helping reach new shoppers. Number 2, create a campaign. Now that your goals are ready, sign into your Advertising Console account. Click the Create Campaign button and choose Sponsored Brands. Number 3, choose your campaign settings. Choose a campaign name that's easy to identify and remember. Note that this campaign name is only visible to you. Follow this by entering the start and end dates for your campaign. Remember, it's recommended to create your campaign with no end date so it can run year-round, unless you have a specific seasonal goal. Finally, set your budget. You have the flexibility to choose between a daily budget or lifetime budget during campaign creation. Your budget should be high enough to keep your ads showing throughout your selected campaign duration. Number 4, select an ad format. Sponsored Brands gives you access to 3 ad formats. Ad formats are templates that help you create ads based on what you'd like to promote. Product Collection ad format lets you promote your products and offers the opportunity to create a more rich shopping experience through the use of branded imagery. Store Spotlight ad format lets you take advantage of your store, helping shoppers more easily discover the different product categories available within your store. Video ad format displays 6 to 45 seconds auto-playing video in mobile and desktop shopping results. Number 5, choose your products. Select the products that you want to advertise from the list of eligible products displayed from your catalog. You must feature at least 3 products, but no more than 100. Choose products in the same category or products with similar keywords. Note that the campaign will automatically pause for Sponsored Brands if linking to a product list page with less than 2 in-stock products. Number 6, set up your ad creative. Now you can customize your ad. Choose your brand name and create a headline to help tell a story about your brand. You can also add custom images of your brand or products to further enhance your story. Finally, choose the order in which you'd like your products to appear when shoppers click your ad. Number 7, choose your targeting tactic. Sponsored Brands gives you the option to choose between keyword and product targeting. Keyword targeting lets you choose keywords to help your product appear in shopping results. Product targeting lets you choose categories or specific products to target your ad to. You can also further refine product targeting by brand, price range, or review ratings. Number 8, add negative targeting. Depending on which targeting tactic you choose, you will have an option to add negative targeting to your campaign. Negative targeting prevents your ads from appearing on specific shopping results or detail pages that don't meet your performance goals. This in turn can refine your audience and improve your return on ad spend. Number 9, define your bidding. You have the flexibility to choose your cost per click bid during campaign creation and can change it at any time. Choose your bid based on the maximum amount you are willing to pay when a shopper clicks your ad. Once you complete these steps, you are ready to launch your first Sponsored Brands campaign. Sponsored Brands ads require approval and must be submitted for review prior to publishing. It's important to consider how Sponsored Brands fits into your broader advertising strategy. You can use Sponsored Brands to drive broader awareness and consideration for your brand, and use sponsored products to reach high-intent shoppers looking to make a purchase. Ready to get started? Visit ads.amazon.com.